Hello, in this tutorial I want to introduce you to a ETC source for PAR. PAR is a parabolic aluminized reflector. We'll talk more about that when we cover fixture types. However, that's what PAR stands for. Now, PAR lamp, this is simple, it's just a wash light, and in order to change the size of its beam, much like a source 4 ERS, we have to change out the lens assembly. And this has a lens in front, as you might expect, and to focus it or to change the orientation of that lens, there is a little ring that's viewable, that's accessible, kind of on what you would think the four corners, and you'll see that that changes. You can spin that ring in a variety of directions, right? So that's how you would sort of focus and interact with that lens. Now, there are four kinds of lenses for this fixture. The first one is what they call a VNSP, or a very narrow spot. This is just clear glass. It's absolutely clear. It doesn't have any magnification properties. It is just a piece of clear glass. That's a very narrow spot. The next sort of lens is called a narrow spot. And if you'll look at it, you can see it has a frosted quality to it. It's slightly pebbled, if you will. One side is smooth, and the other side has a slight but even texture that makes it frosted. That is a narrow spot lens. The next lens is called a medium flood. Medium flood sort of starts to look like a car headlight. People used to think of PARs as they look like car headlights because they were sealed beams. And a medium flood, if you'll look at it, has 8 bands or serrations of lenses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It'll have 8 across there, and that is a medium flood. The last kind is a wide flood. And if you'll look at a wide flood, you'll see that it has many more serrations across here, or stripes, for a total of 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I was wrong. There's only 12. So that's lens identification. The next thing we want to do is talk about how you interchange these lenses. Sometimes it's very easy. Other times it is not quite as easy. If you look at this lens assembly, right, and spin it around, there is a metal clip right along this side, and it just sticks out and holds that lens in. Directly opposite are 2 little plastic teeth right down here, and they hold the other side of the lens. I will turn the little metal clip until it is even with the gel frame clip, right? Now I'm going to turn the fixture over, and I'm just going to take my finger and press that metal clip in. Let's see if I can press it in enough that it'll just pop out. Sometimes I have to pop it a little bit. But once I have that lens loose, it'll just slide right out the top. I'm going to change this and put in a medium flood with 8 stripes across it. The concave side, the lenses are domed. The dome part points back into the fixture. The hollow part, the concave part, it points towards the audience or towards the gel frame. Now I might need to look a little bit to see. Come right in through the top like you were putting in a piece of gel. Line it up on the little plastic rings, and then pop it in place. And now that's in place. Now, for safety's sake, I usually give it a little wiggle to make sure that that lens stays in good and tight. That's how you change a lens in a Source 4 PAR. Thanks for watching.